Hi guys, I'm going to take you through a drone flight with my DJI Mavic 2. I'm going to show you my workflow using Litchi app and getting authorization through Airmap. Um, I'll show you my flight plan and we'll show you the flight and the result. Okay, so stand by and we'll take off shortly. This is the Litchi app. This is the first time I'm using it to program the drone. It allows you to create points of interest and waypoints for the drone to fly to. And then on the waypoints, you can have it take certain actions like record video or take photographs. So in this case, I have 2 points of interest, one over my house, one over the lake. And I'm going to have it circle around the house and focus on the center of the house. And then it'll fly over the lake and focus on that little outcropping in the lake. uh, yeah, like I said, this is the first time I've used it. It's pretty easy to use, and it's uh, it's pretty powerful. So anyway, the other good thing about Litchi is it allows you to import your flight model into uh, Google Earth, which is what this is right on the screen here. And that's a 3D image of my flight, and it shows the altitude above the ground that the drone is going to fly. And so you can see if it's going to interfere with any objects. In this case, I'm flying about 60 feet above the ground for the most part. And you can see that there's no interferences. So it's kind of a handy tool to just do a check and see, see if you have any interferences. Okay, and this is Airmap. So the next thing you have to do once you plan your flight is you have to get permission. If in this case this is in Class D airspace, which it's in the Class D airspace of the Chandler Airport. So I have to create a flight plan in Airmap, and then I have to send a request to the FAA and get authorization to fly. And so that's what this app does. This is how I get authorization from the FAA. With this, many airports around the country are set up to do this, and it only takes a few minutes. And this is just showing all the different rules that would apply in this particular airspace. So I've already done the flight, and I'm just going to end the flight here. Tells you what the traffic is in the area. Okay, this is the Mavic 2 Zoom. It's a DJI drone. It has a zoom camera. It has sensors, GPS. It can do automated flight. It's very easy to fly. It's very stable. Um, and this is what we're going to demonstrate today. Okay. Okay, so this is the app. This is the Litchi app on the tablet, and I'm launching. Okay, so now we've got it restarted, and the drone is taking off. You can see in the lower right corner there, it's taking off. Now it's going to fly to the first waypoint. You can see on the main picture where it's flying to the. I switched views. So now it's going to
Recording
start
started.
recording. The main picture here is the actual 4K video from the camera. And the upper right is just the view from the tablet that I'm looking at. So now it's flying around the house. It's going to circle around the house. And then it's going to fly over to the park. It's going to focus on that little peninsula as it flies around. Now it's just flying back to land. It'll use the return to home function and land where it took off. And that's pretty much it.